Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to show you how to replace the inner door handle on an 03 Tundra. You need any parts for your car? Click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. We're going to start by removing the mounting screws under the door handle, and that is this two little body trim covers. And you're going to, I like to use a flathead screwdriver, especially something like this that doesn't look like it's been removed quite often. It's really in there. There you go. So once you've opened the cosmetic doors, it's a Torx bit head, which is a T30 on this Tundra, and that looks like a star pattern. We call it Torx. We're just going to loosen that bolt out. There's two of them. Both are a T30. Do the same to this side. Take that bolt out. And now we can move over to the rest of the body trim. I've got a Phillips screwdriver by the door handle, inner door handle. Get that out of the way. It's like a gumball machine. Now I've got 2 plastic covers covering some more mounting screws. There's one. There's 2. Okay. And those are Phillips. Both of these mounting screws are Phillips heads. Let's see if it's a different screw for either one. I like to leave them in order if they are. Some have stages to them, or like a sleeve. So I like to take a note of that. And they're identical. So we can put them with the rest of the pile. I'm going to look over the door. I don't feel any other bolts. I'm going to take off the main window switch. I do that. I pull up on it. Tab in the front, tab in the back. Pretty easy, just one good pull up. I'm going to disconnect the electrical. Pushing down on the electrical tab and releasing it. Now with a body trim tool, I just locate it and start pulling on the actual panel. Get some So on the trim for the inner door handle, there are 2 tabs located. One's right above the lock mechanism. Put a flat screwdriver in there and push up on it, and the other one's directly below it. And then you can slide this. And there's the front little tooth mark that holds it into the slot there. And there's the 2 ears that you just pushed up on the tab. Okay, ready? So I'm just going to give it a quick firm pull up. What do we have? We have a door marker light. So I'm going to push down on that tab. Well, the light wants to come out, so I guess we could do that too. I prefer to just disconnect the electrical connector. And then we have that little mini speaker over here. The connector on it is over here on the front of it. Push on that tab. Now the panel is done and out of the way. We're going to start by removing with a 10mm socket, the mounting screw or bolt. Get that out. It's just a plastic fresh screw. Now there's two teeth in the front here, little tabs. You're gonna push it back and pull it out. One ear's been broken. So to release the cables, the green one is for the actual handle, the lock, the latch. So you're just gonna pull up firmly, pull that out. And for the lock part, you can just do the same. Pull it out, undo it. So to reinstall, just reverse procedure. I'm going to do the lock cable first. You've got the L-shaped metal piece that goes right into the ear, slides down, and the lock is actually adjustable. See the threads on this? So I can see where it was dirt and where it was clean. So it was mounted flush up. And the actual cable for the door handle. Slide the tab in, bring it around, snap it down. And this is where you line these tabs up, push it forward. 10mm socket with the mounting screw, goes in the back, line the tab up, here we go. Just snug it down. So sometimes when you take a door panel off, the body clips for the panel stick into the door, no big deal. You get a tool like this, it's a door trim tool, and you just push it up, pull it out. Click it in and twist it out. Now to put those in the panel, we'll find the location of where they came from. And they're over here. So you've got the staging, you've got that one tab out there, you're gonna line it up with the slot and push it in. Now to install the door panel, I have to hook up my pieces that were part of it. And this is the little speaker in the door. I'm going to click that tab in. And I've got the little marker light on the side. Push that in. Now you're going to bring up this lip trim piece. You're going to guide it on top of the door. Let it fall down in. Make sure that your harness for your main window switch is pulled out. Sometimes you tilt the bottom down. There we go. Okay, you'll see everything lines up in place. And then those door panel tabs, I like to look and make sure it's in the spot, and I just hit it in. Okay, all the tabs are in place. I'm going to mount the main handle screws first. Those are the Torx bit, the T30. I'm going to hold that trim tab back, line it up. Do the same to the other side. Now to push those covers back on, just make sure you line up the tab that's part of the door, snap it down. Let's do the handle trim first. So we've got that L-shaped ear. It's going to go in that slot right there. Pull the handle open, guide that in first, then you're going to slide it forward and then push these two tabs in. That had a little Phillips screw, so I'm going to put that piece, screw that back in. I think I'm going to put my main switch in next. So I'm going to connect the window switch in the back. Tab goes down. Line the tab up, push it up in there. Okay, clear the wires. This is just a straight push down. There's no hooks or eyelets. Snaps right down. We only have 2 left. There are 2 screws right here. I'm going to put that cover on. That looks like out of the 2 covers, there's an angled and a flat. I'm going with the flat and the angled up there. Last screw is the top one here. Just tighten it down, bottom it out. We're going to put the cover on. It's shaped so that it goes into the door. There you go. Now we'll put the key on and make sure everything works. Okay. Okay, put the mirror on. Yep. Perfect.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.